Installing new doors within your home can sometimes be a little bit scary and intimidating, but it doesn't have to be if you know the right people. I'm here with Steve Stack here at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. Always a pleasure to see you.
Welcome back.
Every time I'm here, I feel like I leave with so much knowledge, and it's all thanks to you and the team here at Baird Brothers. And today I want to talk about installing new doors. There is something for everyone, and whether you're looking to give your home a facelift or maybe you're trying to repair some damage, you have the solution. So let's talk about this particular door unit right now.
Today, you and I are going to be installing a Prehung. It's a 2-foot door, 2-panel, shaker craftsman-style with a flat panel, square sticking on the inside edge of the rails, and it's Prehung on a 4.5-inch poplar prime jamb. Leave us hang them. Yeah. You take them home and install them into a nice opening.
I will say, hearing the words pre-hung automatically to me seems easy.
Definitely DIY friendly, and with your help.
Let's get to work.
If you could take it by the door handle and steady it a little bit.
You got it, Steve.
Okay. I'm going to pull it to your right. All right, I'm going to start up top here.
All righty.
And I'm just going to do that. So we have a chance to steady the door a little bit. Okay. Our bubbles between the two lines, right?
It looks level to me.
Okay. Just as important this side.
Okay.
Because this is our hinge side, correct? We want to go solid on the jamb side, and then we'll shim on the active side.
Okay.
Okay? We want to ensure that our casing is going to fit nice and flat.
Okay.
Okay. Right up here with that nail gun.
Oh gosh.
Those shims won't go anywhere.
All right, how do I do
got it.
Like
Yep.
this? Okay, and do I push?
Squeeze.
Ooh, that was heavy. I did it.
Good job.
Thanks, Steve. So this is all level.
Level, plumb.
Level.
Now we're adjusting our jamb to our finished wall surface. And all I'm doing is using that little tri-square.
Okay.
And we're good, okay?
Yeah.
So you can nail here. And one more time right at midpoint.
Okay.
Bingo.
So if someone is ready to start a project of their own, they just have to come to you with door measurements?
Door measurements or the rough opening size,
okay?
Good point there. Rough opening for one of our pre-hungs, 2 inches over the height of the door, 2 inches over the width of the door.
Okay.
That'll give you the correct rough opening so that door unit will fit when you get it home.
Sure.
I'm going to push this in so it's flush to the wall surface.
Okay.
Yep.
A little bit lower, sorry.
Bingo. One more time right there. Okay. And you pretty much have just installed the pre-hung door. Maybe next time we can dress it up a little bit with some casing.
You know, I feel one step at a time, Steve, but yeah, I feel like I did it. You made it seem as easy as possible. And again, when you come to Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, they're here to help you out every step of the way. It's not as scary as you might think. Steve, thanks for making it so easy.
Thank you.